Welcome back. NCP leaders and supporters ended their day's hunger strike by burning an effigy of Dilip Parulekar. NCP spokesperson Trajano Di Mello has alleged Dilip Parulekar and CM Manohar Parrikar of corruption. Trajano has demanded inquiry into the land grab issue at Serula Comunidad and to sack Dilip Parulekar. On the other side, Vijay Desai said Parulekar is eligible to be dropped following his performance as a cabinet minister.
आमका नका सन बन, आमका नका मून बन, आमका जाय दिलीप बन. दिलीपाक बन केलो आमी. जाय दिलीप परुळेकर. हाय हाय. आणि दुडू. हाय हाय. आणि
the tourism minister is categorically on record telling his people that the chief minister has no courage to touch him on corruption because he will expose the chief minister's corruption. The chief minister himself is seeped with highest corruption. The corruption of promises that he made to the people of Goa, he has gone back on every promise. He has kept the Lok Ayukta empty. Where do we go? The RTI as usual is kept under pressure. So the corruption, what we say, the chief minister is fully protecting corrupt ministers.
Parrikaran सांगितले की आपण एक पिरियोडिक असेसमेंट करतलो मिनिस्टरांची की कशे तरे वागले आनी तांणी तांचो आउटपुट कितें आसलो तसो पळोवंक गेलो जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता दिलीप परुलेकर इज एमिनंटली क्वॉलिफायड टू बी ड्रॉप्ड बिकॉज द वे ही हेज गॉन ही इज अ मेजर एम्बेरेसमेंट टू इवन पर्रिकर. Land grab, then direct association with a narcotics dealer, and then approving a festival which he himself is on record saying that it would be a traffic menace for Kandoli. Now you don't have one, you have three. So what about the menace? What about the Goikars?
Meanwhile, Congress has alleged that Goa government is not following its own circular on educational terms.
जे सरकार सर्क्युलर काढता आमचो आरोप आसा की सरकारूच या सर्क्युलराचो पालन करिना. आमकां आक्षेप आसा एक तरी तुम्ही वो सर्क्युलर जो तुम्ही काढलो तो फाटी घेवचो नाजाल्यार एग्जाम तरी मुखार व्हरची. कांयच कळना कोण खरो आनी कोण फटींग तो.
A video journalist Chetan Gavas and Sushant Pur for Prudent.
Vishnu Wag demands that beach festivals and other allied festivals in Goa should come under umbrella of the ESG. Vice President of ESG Vishnu Wag said beach festivals and major NRI weddings should be undertaken by ESG. He feels if these festivals are brought under ESG, events will be organized hassle-free and smoothly.
Entertainment Society is eyeing upon the grand EDMs and major NRI weddings. Currently, beach festivals like Beach Grind, Sunburn and Supersonic are amidst controversy for political pulls and pressures. Now Vishnu has entered the fray. He says these festivals should come under the ESG.
Like every year we have this Sunburn or whatever, beach party, whatever that is. Now basically that's an entertainment party. That should come under ESG. All entertainment events, all fashion shows, even all major NRI weddings where entertainment is, they should come under ESG. All functions which have entertainment value, apart from social and religious festivals which people should have freedom to organize, but all other functions, there has to be some sort of license or some sort of permission which will go through ESG. All this will contribute to a hefty amount.
Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
5 were injured in a cylinder blast at Warka Banauli on Thursday. The house caught fire which led to the blast. The exact reason is not yet known. The house of Vallabh Barad is partially damaged. His family members were shifted to Hospicio. Fire brigade officials control the fire.
11:15 we received call from Warka Banauli that house has been caught fire. So immediately we started our turnout and reached spot at 11:30, and we noticed that LPG cylinder has been blast. So and there was a fire for the house. So immediately we started shifting the injured to the Hospicio hospital, and side by side we started the extinguishing operation also. And there were total 5 numbers of persons have been injured. There were a house was belonged to Vallabh Barad, There were house has been damaged and belongings, clothes, furnitures and tiles, roofing tiles have been damaged, and we already started extinguishing operation and cleared all the belongings. Exact cause we cannot ascertain, and investigation is under process.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.